What's going on, everybody? Julian here, Jay Lewis Trading, doing a quick market recap for Tuesday. Couple big movers to talk about. I think the biggest one really is ALF. This is a stock that has been pretty volatile over the last maybe week or so, and it really started last week when there were talks about these guys selling tablets to both Lyft and Uber, and that really bumped price action up last week. And then today, this morning, there was a talk about a big share buyback. I don't know if that was confirmed or not. I believe that was news that came through Benzinga. But again, I don't know if that's been confirmed or not. But nonetheless, it produced a lot of volume today. And these guys traded a ton of volume. I think 211 or 210 million shares today. It was the third most active stock on the New York Stock Exchange today. And this thing was absolutely on fire. And this was something that we talked about in our group this morning, pre-market. And one of the levels that I was urging everybody to watch for was this general level at about, high eights, low nines. And the big thing is that price action was clearly squeezing up into this point right through here. You can see that price action actually broke $9, taking out those previous resistance levels. We had this nice bottom test, and then it just flagged even higher, and now, after hours. So this was a really nice trade. At one point, it was up 120%, I believe, and now it's taking a little bit of a break pre-market. Big question is, going to hold that 1475 level? Will it move higher? Will it move lower? I don't know. I do know that our traders were hitting this. This was a great trade. And so, big shout out to everybody that was hitting this. And then another one that was getting work today was CLSK. This was a large cap stock, options based, and this one was actually nice because the daily chart's not looking so great on this one. And this thing had a support level at 1684. That thing completely fell down, moving into this 1545 level before bumping. I suspect that this thing will probably end up selling off some more. We've got some trendline support consolidating right now after hours. I suspect that if we come through and take out this level at about 1622 tomorrow, I don't think taking out 1555 is going to be an issue. But this was an options-based trade. Had some puts on this one. 30% was realized on the on this trade today, and it was just a simple matter of trading the breakdown of support and watching these options appreciate. And that was really ultimately all that was going on for me and the team. If you have any questions, by all means, feel free to reach out. Julian at jlewistrading.com. I'm going to put it out here right now. I am going to be looking at holding another public webinar potentially next week, talking about more of these low float volatility trades. I've got some great stuff that I want to share with you guys. Another big one was IDRA. There was a nice big move right through here. You can see again, same thing, squeezed about $1.45, rallied up into that $2 level. Great movement on the low floats. I'm thinking, am I going back to the low floats? Am I going to stick with the options? I don't know. The low floats have been producing some really, really volatile action lately. And it's always a toss-up to see which side of the market I'm going to trade, whether it's the common stock or the derivatives. Both print well. I like them both. I hit them both, and we'll have to see. But next week, I'm going to be hosting a webinar. So watch out for that, and I'll get you guys signed up and into the webinar. We'll talk about some of these low floats and where the market is going and how we can take advantage of them. And again, if you have any questions, Julian at jlewistrading.com.